Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 9, chapter number 3, science, atoms and molecules. In the previous two videos I explain you about the atoms and molecule law of chemical composition. Law of chemical composition, I explained you about the law of conservation of mass, law of definite property or law of constant composition. Then based on these two properties we can check the solution also. Then Dalton's atomic theory, postulate of Dalton's atomic theory, limitation and drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory, about the atom, how atom is basically the size of the atom. Now the modern symbols and some symbols that is represented by their Latin name. According to Latin name, the letters are used, basically the symbols are used from the Latin name. I also explained about the atomic mass, and that is according to the carbon atom basically. In the third part of this chapter I am going to tell you about the molecule. Basically, what is molecule of an element, molecule of a compound, then molecular mass, and how to calculate the molecular mass of element as well as compound. Let us start the third part of this chapter. What is a molecule? A molecule is a group of two or more atoms which are held together strongly by some kind of attractive forces. Such an attractive force holding the atoms together is called a chemical bond. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound which can exist freely under ordinary conditions and show all the properties of that particular substances. Molecules of an element. Molecules of an element means one or two or more atoms of same element existing as one species in the free state, depending upon whether the molecules contain 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. atoms. They are called monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, etc. respectively. A few example of molecules of different types. Now the first is monoatomic molecule. Noble gases like helium, neon, etc. exist as single atom, that is HENE, etc. Hence their molecules are monoatomic. Their symbol for these molecules and atom are same: helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar. Diatomic molecules, for example, in a molecule of hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen exist together. Its molecule is therefore represented by H2. That is, it is a diatomic molecule. Similarly, molecules of oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, etc. are diatomic and are represented by O2, Cl, N2, etc. Please note that a molecule of hydrogen cannot be represented by 2H. Always you have to represent the atom by H2. This will represent two atoms of hydrogen and not a molecule of hydrogen. Same applies to another or other molecules. For example, molecules of bromine is Br2, that of iodine is I2, and fluorine is F2. Now let us see some diatomic molecule of some element. like two atom of hydrogen combines to become one hydrogen molecule, this is H2. Same two atom of oxygen combines to make one molecule of oxygen, this is O2. And in nitrogen and chlorine also the same, the two atom of nitrogen combines to become one molecule of nitrogen, that is N2. Two atom of chlorine combines to become one molecule of chlorine, that is Cl2. Now the triatomic molecule, for example in a molecule of ozone, three atom of oxygen exist together as one species, hence it is a triatomic with the formula O3. There is three atom of oxygen combined to form ozone, that is O3. Tetraatomic molecule. A very common example of tetraatomic molecule of an element is that of phosphorus, represented by P4. Similarly, sulfur exists as an octaatomic molecule represented by S8. Molecules containing more than 4 atoms are generally called polyatomic. The number of atoms present in one molecule of a substance is called its atomicity. Molecules of some elements are very big in size, containing a large number of atoms linked together. For example, graphite, diamond contain an infinite number of carbon atoms linked together. These elements are simply represented by their atomic symbols. Beside graphite and diamond, a third crystalline form of carbon discovered recently contains 60 carbon atoms linked together. It is represented by C60 and is called as Buckminster fullerene. Its structure is like a football. Similarly, all metal except mercury also consist of a giant molecules. However, they are represented by their atomic symbol and are taken as monoatomic. For example, sodium Na, iron Fe, aluminium Al, copper Cu are all monoatomic. The property of any such solid elements are in fact not the property of its single atom but the property of cluster of atoms. Now molecule of a compound. Molecule of a compound means two or more atom of different element combined together in a definite proportion or a fixed proportion by mass to form a species that can exist freely. For example, H2O represents the molecule of a compound water in which two atoms of hydrogen are combined with one atom of oxygen, or hydrogen and oxygen are combined in a fixed ratio, that is 1:8 by mass. Similarly, carbon dioxide represents the molecule of CO2 containing C ratio O in the ratio of 3:8 by mass. Just as in case of molecule of an element, the molecule of combined can be diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, pentaatomic, etc. A few examples let us discuss. Diatomic molecule, hydrogen chloride HCl, carbon monoxide, that is CO. Example, you see one atom of hydrogen combines with one atom of chlorine to become hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. In the case of carbon monoxide, one atom of carbon combines one atom of oxygen to become carbon monoxide, that is CO. Now triatomic molecules. H like water H2O containing 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Similarly, we have carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, etc. Then tetra atomic molecules. Tetra atomic molecule hydrogen peroxide H2O2, ammonia NH3, etc. Thus we may conclude that the smallest particle of which the matter is made up of can be atom or molecule. The properties of the substance are therefore the property of the atom or molecule depending upon whether the basic unit from which the substance is made up of are atom or molecule. Now the naming the molecule of element. In case of molecules of element, atomicity is generally not indicated in the name. For example, H2 is called hydrogen molecule, O2 is called oxygen molecule, etc. According to the latest system, they are named as dihydrogen, dioxygen, etc. Naming molecule of compound. The compound consisting of molecules are molecular compound. These compounds are formed by the combination of two or more non-metal atoms. The simplest case is that of those compounds which are made up of from only two elements. Such compounds made up of only two elements are called binary compounds. For example, hydrogen chloride HCl, water H2O, ammonia NH3, etc. are binary compound. Each is made up of two elements. Please note that a binary compound does not mean that it contains only two atoms. For example, H2O is a binary compound made up of two elements of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Through it contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. To understand the naming of these compounds, we should understand the electronegativity. In a molecule, the atoms are held together by a chemical bond. This bond is nothing but a spare pair of electrons. Share pair of electrons. Each atom in the molecule attracts this spread pair of electrons towards itself. The tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself is called electronegativity. The atom which attract the shared pair of electrons more is called more electronegativity. Then the other which attract less is called less electronegative. For example, chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. Now we can explain the method of naming binary molecules compound as follows. The less electronegative element is named first, followed by the more electronegative element, example hydrogen chloride. The name of the more electronegative element is changed to end in IDE. Example hydrogen chloride HCl, hydrogen sulfide H2S, etc. Common names are quite often used instead of scientific name. For example, H2O is called water and not hydrogen oxide. NH3 is called ammonia, not nitrogen trihydride. CH4 is called methane, and so on. The number of atoms of each element is generally indicated in the name by adding the prefix Di means di, Tri tri, Tetra tetra, Penta penta, etc. For example, N2O5 is called dinitrogen pentaoxide. PCl3 is called phosphorus trichloride. Also note that if there is only one atom of first element, the prefix mono is not used. Further note note that we write tetraoxide, pentaoxide. In this we cannot include A. The letter A is dropped. If the first element of the molecular compound is hydrogen, the name of its atom is not written in the name. For example, H2S is called hydrogen sulfide, not dihydrogen sulfide. Now, molecular mass. Just as atomic mass of an element is the average relative mass of its atom as compared with that of an atom of C12, means carbon 12 isotope, that taken as 12. Similarly, molecular mass is defined as follows. Molecular mass of a substance is a substance element or compound is the average relative mass of its molecule as compared with that of an element or atom of C12 isotope taken as 12. In other words, molecular mass of a substance represent the number of times the molecule of that substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of an atom of C12 isotope. Basically, the mass is the amount of substance present in specific element. Let us discuss about molecular mass. Before the molecular mass, first we know how we find out the atomic mass of a substance or element. Atomic mass is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Suppose a carbon, the atomic number is 6, number of proton is 6 and number of neutron is 6 present in a carbon atom. So the atomic mass of carbon is 6 plus 6, that is C only. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12U. And same, oxygen, atomic number is 8, number of proton is 8 and number of neutron is 8. So atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16. But the 16U is present in only one atom of oxygen. If it is O2, then the atomic mass of oxygen O2 is equal to 8 plus 8, that is 16, and that is multiplied with 2, it becomes 32 U. So atomic mass of oxygen is 32 U. If the oxygen is O2, means 2 atom of oxygen is there, then then the mass is 32 U. Okay, now let us understand how to calculate the molecular mass. First is sugar, C12H22O11. The solution for molecular mass of C12H22O11, there is a misprint, so you can use your idea. Now the solution is equal to 12 multiplied by atomic mass of carbon, that is 12, plus 12 multiplied by atomic mass of hydrogen, or you have to write 22 multiplied by atomic mass of hydrogen, plus 11 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now you have to calculate by your own. Now second is aluminum sulfate. The formula is Al2SO4 whole thrice. Now molecular mass is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of aluminum plus 3 multiplied by atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen. Then if you calculate this, you get 342 U. I hope you can understand whatever I taught in this video. If there is any problem, you can ask within a class. I will practice more question to calculate the molecular mass of any compound. This help you to calculate the mass basically.